Hi everybody, this is the American Duplex Model 24 coffee bean grinder, and does come with the receptacle for the grounds. As you can see, this is an older model. Not sure exactly what year. I'm going to do a little research and see if I can figure that out, but you know, kind of an Art Deco style design. You know, nothing obviously broken, but some paint loss. This is cast aluminum, this part. It's a very heavy unit. Inside here is the bin, and we'll get a flashlight and see if we can show you. But anyways, cord is in good shape, but I would probably replace the end. It has the open area where the prongs are. So let's get a flashlight here and go ahead and turn this on. And the setting adjustment does work. Of course, I'm not running coffee grinds through here, so I have no idea what that does or doesn't do. But she is definitely spinning. What I'm going to do is, so as I turn it off, you can actually see the auger start and stop. Sorry, trying to make sure you can see what's going on. So, you know, it seems to be reasonably quiet, and there's no odd noises that would lead me to believe that there's some internal issues. So, there it is. Thanks for looking.